Om Namah Shivaya, Om Amteshwariye Namaha. I am Joyit of grade 9 and he is Harrison of grade 8. We are studying at Amrita Jalan Trichy. We feel proud to be invited by AIM Niti Ayog, a government organization, to attend the 77th Republic Day celebration at New Delhi. It is a proud and memorable opportunity for us. Our adventure began with a thrilling flight experience, which was our first time flying. The service on the board was excellent and the journey was extremely comfortable. We enjoyed the breathtaking view from the window and could not stop taking pictures.
After reaching Delhi and staying overnight at hotel, we visited Pradhan Mantri Sangralaya Museum. The museum explains the life and contributions of India's Prime Minister in a clear and engaging way. Through interactive displays, photographs and videos, we learned how their leadership shaped the nation.
Later that day, we visited Rashtrapati Bhavan, which impressed us with its grand architecture and beautiful gardens. We learned about the India's governance system. The visit reflected the dedication of leaders who served the India.
On our next day, we explored the National Science Museum, which was filled with interactive exhibits and scientific models. We learned about space, technology, and innovation through hands-on activities. The visit made science exciting and inspiring.
At the evening, we had an high tea session with Dr. Jitendra Singh, Honorable Minister of Science and Technology and Earth Science. He shared valuable ideas about innovation, startups, and patents. His word motivates us to improve our project.
Finally, we witnessed the 77th Republic Day Parade, which was the most awaited event of the trip. The discipline of the armed forces and the colorful cultural displays were truly inspiring. It filled us with pride and patriotism. Overall, the visit to Delhi was an enriching and unforgettable experience. We gained knowledge beyond our textbooks and explored the important research centers of our country. We are sincerely thankful to AIM and Niti Ayog for this wonderful opportunity and our management for their support. Thank you, Om Namah Shivaya.